my script.
Welcome to
Walk of Fame and the Manila Student Leaders Awards Night 2025. Thank you.
I don't know if y'all can see me. So, hey guys, I'm currently waiting for the time. Okay, so right now it's raining and I have some errands to do later. But right now I am editing my script because there's a certain segment that I need to call out or like roll call every companies and such. And it was just sent to me right now. So I'm just going to include that in my script. So by the way, this is how I do my script. I make sure that I won't get lost. My eyes kasi minsan talaga. Lalo na pag medyo mabilis yung event, yung eyes ko medyo nawawala sa focus. So I make sure na after every segment, meron akong divider para on track. So I'm just gonna edit this. So nag-wait lang ako ng time. Tatapusin ko lang to. Later, we will go to SM because I'll be having my eyebrow appointment. Tapos maghanap din ako ng damit ko for tomorrow if may mahanap. Pero pag wala, okay na yun. And I have two events this week. I have an event tomorrow, morning yun. So it's a hosting event, of course. I have 3 events this week. One is tomorrow, hosting event, morning yun. And then on Friday, I have 2 events. One is hosting, and then one is awarding. So that's about it. I'll update you guys for the rest of the week. I might use this vlog or video for a like one whole video for this week because I have so many ganaps this week.
Hey guys, medyo nagra-rush ako. Nagra-rush ako guys kasi akala ko mamaya pa si Miguel. Andiyan siya sa baba. Oh my god, wait lang. Akala ko kasi 6 pa yung out niya. Nag-vlog pa ako kanina on how I do my script. Andiyan na pa siya sa baba. And then, okay, I'll just bring my GoPro and then vlog the rest of the day. But I'll see you guys later. So stressed. Let's go. Para maging focus sa iyo. Guys, we are going sa EO. What are we eating here? Kakain na kami, may 2-piece chicken. And my favorite. Tama na siyang
Wait lang. Dragon City.
Hi guys, finally I am back home. I'm so happy my eyebrows are now threaded. So perfect na siya ulit and baka kapag maganda na tingnan yung makeup ko by that time. So I'm so happy.
4:45. O kaya di doon muna pag nag-shimmering na saka kayo magsalita. Yan, yung pag yan.
Good evening, national yan.
National percentage. Ganun po.
Hindi, recognized student organization.
Ay, sorry.
Wait!
Out of script yan. Wala siya sa script.
Wala siya. Pero yung pagkakasunod-sunod kasi nandyan din naman.
Nandito.
Yan din naman. Yan din yung pagkakasunod. Kasi ang haba pag nilagay ko pa sa script, yan din naman yung pagkakasunod-sunod.
Pwede siya makita yung
Program.
Program.
entrance walk.
Yan yung i-welcome
Welcome
ko ba kayo?
to the Walk of Fame. Ay!
Kayo na yan.
Kami na
Ito
to.
lang ang akin. Ito, the rest kayo na
Tapos,
yan.
after ng are given due honor, exemplary service is driven through honor. Ganyan.
Ay hindi, mauuna muna yung walk. Kailangan nakapasok muna sila lahat bago nyo sabihin tong good evening nationalians. Gets ba? Bale, hanggat hindi nakakapasok lahat, hindi pa kayo mag-good
okay.
So ayan, nakatago pa lang kayo. Tapos after nung pag nakapasok na si S daw, kukunin ko yung mic, kayo naman ang huling papasok doon sa entrance. Na?
So,
okay.
ibig sabihin, papasok mo na lahat.
Oo.
Tapos saka ka mag, good evening Nationalians, let us welcome our host.
Kumaga
Ganyan.
last, natatawagin. And now, please welcome your host. Ganun. Tas,
Nyari, and nyari, talk ng good evening Nationalians. Let us welcome our host from the Bar Studio and U Manila. Yan, naglalakad na kayo.
Okay.
Tapos, pagkatas ko ng Christopher Niserio, doon na kayo papasok ng good evening, ganyan. So dito, ang naisip ko sana, dito wala munang voice over. Yung welcome, tutunog lang siya. Tapos pag nawala yung lyrics, tsaka kayo magsasimula ng let's welcome our resident organization. Starting with, yan.
First, you bring sparkles, magsasalita na kami.
Pwede na lang. Yan. Die for you.
Ano nga para sabay tayo, adjust natin siya. Parang halimbawa, tonight,
Gusto niyo ng highlighter?
invite mo naman. Parang bet ko sana ng
Sige, sir.
Bale, a night organizations that shows
Kanino yung blue?
talent, exemplary service are given due honor. Tapos, dagdag ng isa pang linya. But together with our nationality, mga ganyan. Tapos, this year's Walk of Fame, and yung para sabay tayo sa title. Gusto mo ba nasabay
So,
tayo
bale, good evening Nationalians. Tapos, an awarding ceremony, ganyan. Due honor.
Tas
This is
tapos sabay
the
tayo,
Walk of Fame. Okay, so baliktad natin to.
Para sabay tayo. Para malait bulaga.
Gusto niyo ba?
Para
Practice.
mga Dower Cats! Charing. Anong adlib nito, Sir? Anong gusto mo?
Ano lang kayo, kamusta lang kayo siguro sa mga student leaders natin.
Nung kami ng Chicano.
Kumustahan ka? Yung tagal namin dinakit. Kamusta ka na?
Kamusta OJT mo?
Ay, tulugo. Naupo pa.
Siguro kumuha kayo ng parang medyo...
Ngayon.
Tapos nag-share.
Dati lang lumalaban ako. Asan yung kalaban ko?
Yan! Tapos sabihin mo, right? Or
Yung nabukayo.
sorry.
Mas pwede rin kayo dyan mag-interview siguro ng isang estudyante. Like, bakit yun yung suot mo? Ganyan, mga ganun. Something like that.
Hey guys! So nag-photoshoot kami ng pinsan ko. Eh nakakatamay, dumikit na lang ako sa pako.
Good evening, Nationalians! Let us welcome our host from the Bark Studio and U Manila. Let us welcome Miss Francine Luis Daiki and Mr. Christopher Niserio.
Good evening Nationalians. Tapos ako.
May GC na tayo.
Pero
Ikaw
babalik
yung
na natin to.
unawarding.
Ikaw yun. Ano ba?
Ikaw, ba't ka tumigil kasi?
Kasi ano?
Sabay tayo sa welcome.
De.
Good evening, Nationalians!
Pwedeng ibahin yan ako, hindi kayo comfy.
Balik rin natin namin. Para sabay nga tayo sa Walk
Sige,
of Fame.
sige.
So, ako muna good evening.
Oo.
Tapos ikaw an awarding.
Oo.
Tapos welcome.
Oo,
Okay,
tas
go.
yan.
Ulit tayo ha.
Sino dito ang nagost?
Hindi na pala, sino sa inyo ang nagusto? Nakita ko, tumawa ka pala noon. Kala ko na hindi mo napansin.
Tinurugda mo ba yun?
Hindi ko napansin. Sinabi mo lang eh. Sino sa inyo ang nagustuhan ang performance ni Popstar Benjamin?
Kasi ako. Nagulat ako talaga.
Good evening, Nationalians. Let us welcome our host from the Bark Studio and U Manila. Let us welcome Miss Francine Luis Daiki and Mr. Christopher Niserio.
Good evening! Ayaw nga ko pala. Ano ba yan?
Di ba ka ma-full storage ka? Good evening, Nationalians. Let us welcome our host from the Bark Studio and U Manila, Miss Francine Luis Daiki and Mr. Christopher Niserio.
Good evening, National Nationalians!
This is an awarding ceremony where organizations showing extraordinary talent. Nagustuhan
Nagustuhan niyo ba?
Nagustuhan. Sino sa inyo ang nagustuhan? Di baka naman tayo lang nakapansin nun kasi Bisaya tayo.
Good evening, Nationalians!
Tonight, we are awarding the organization...
Oh, nawala pa kayo sa gitna, pero bumagsak na yung beat. Magkasalita na kayo.
Pwede naman.
Pwede
Yes!
yan. Carry.
Lang-
Good evening.
Para lang
You're ready to rumble. Okay, go. Thank you, Be. Yun lang.
Good evening, Nationalians!
Tonight is an awarding ceremony where organizations showing extraordinary talent and exemplary service are given due honor. Welcome to Going Boyer! Yes! Lala! Welcome to
1, 2, 3.
Given Due Honor.
Welcome to the...
Walk... Ay!
Ano ba?
May the
May
pala.
the pa?
Sorry.
Pwede
Tayo
naman
pala yung
tanggalin.
the. Pwede tayong the Walk of Fame. The Walk of Fame ba yun?
Hindi, Walk of Fame
Wala,
na.
wala.
Ang galing yung the.
Da. Ba't ba kasi may da?
Given Due Honor.
Welcome to
Walk of Fame NU Manila Student Leaders Awards Night 2025. NU Manila.
Ako, sige.
Walk of
Manila
Fame
Awards Night, Manila
NU
Student.
Manila Student Leaders Awards Night 2025.
Okay.
Okay na.
Good evening, Nationalians!
This night is an awarding ceremony where organizations showing extraordinary organizations.
Good evening, Nationalians. Let us welcome our hosts from BART Studio NU Manila, Miss Francine Luis Daiki and Mr. Christopher Miserio.
Good evening, Nationalians!
Tonight is an awarding ceremony where organizations showing extraordinary talent and exemplary service are given due honor.
Welcome to
Walk of Fame NU Manila Student Leaders Awards Night 2025.
Perfect!
Pwede niyo pang sorry.
Pwede niyo pang sorry. Pwede niyo po.
Oo!
You in the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other. Wrote you letters, sent a message to the goddamn. Skip to the present, haven't been so happy ever. Sitting in your room, working out. That's what it feels like. Haven't been so happy ever.
To our special awardees who carried the team in the mountain.
Lakad lang. Parang naglalakad ka lang. Magtitingin ka nga. Ay, sige, tanggalin mo muna.
There's an art to change it. That I'm the potter and the clay.
Dapat.
I'm the canvas and the painter. The marble that I sculpted away. Every stroke of a brush, every finger's touch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush. Is a sunburned wing of a heartbreak cry. take a lifetime. And patience is a peerless craft. It's wonderful, it's beautiful. You know who you were a year ago. Oh, paint your portrait as you grow. Every stroke of a brush, every finger's touch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush. Is a sunken wink of a heartbreak crush. Is a rush, feel the rush. You're a painting free to color. Lead the muses like a follow. All the colors layered, kaleidoscope. You're a sculptor, burning negro like bridges that on that knee turn living into art. Life's the Louvre and you're the Mona Lisa. La la la, la la la, la 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 la. La la la, la la la, la 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 la. I live art.
Sabi mo nakakahiya! Sabi mo hindi ka iyak!
And together with your advisor, Mr. Audrey Blanchard.
I remember when I thought the only lonely place was at the top. Switching up your headlight every week. I hope you never change your mind about me. 'Cause listen, girl, we are for you. Time and time again, till my story ends. Oh, I choose you. I'm all for you.